Good morning. Well, actually, good afternoon, my dear friends. I'm up a little late today. It was kind of a long night last night. So instead of Monday morning coffee, you're getting just a weekly update. I hope you all had a great weekend. I had a weekend, and I didn't do a whole lot of crafting this weekend, except for my club members. I did one of their little videos for them, and created a couple of things. But yeah, so this week I'm just kind of taking a deep breath and pressing on. I will be having a video up on Wednesday. Lucy, get out of my craft room. I left the craft room door open. I don't know why my dogs love to go in there so much, but they do. Out. Thank you. Anyway, maybe they like the smell of glue and stuff as much as I do. I don't know. But I will have a video out on Wednesday. To be honest with you, I don't know what it's going to be because I haven't created anything yet. But it will be out on Wednesday. And then I will of course, have Thursday Night Live at 7:30 on Thursday night. And so I have some ideas in mind. I was talking to my friend Nora Dunlap this morning on the phone, and then I was talking to my daughter previously. That's why I kind of missed the time for Monday morning coffee, because I was chit-chatting with my daughter and my grandchildren, and then my friend, and so, but yeah. I hope everybody's hanging in there. I know it can be a little discouraging, and I'm not going to lie and say that I haven't been a little discouraged. I have. But, you know, we will get through this together. We just need to remember to keep picking each other up and sending positive thoughts to each other, keeping each other in our prayers, and just, you know, pick up a phone when we need to and say, hi, how are you, and that kind of thing. So, but yeah, I don't have a lot today. We'll have, like I said, a video out Wednesday, and then Thursday Night Live. I do have a new video out on my keto channel, my keto journey. I really am trying to grow that channel right now, so if you guys could help me out by going over there and subscribing or sharing my channel, I would really appreciate it. But I have a recipe up there for today, and I will have some other ones up there this week. And so, yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it, unless I have some other stuff come up. You know, if I get Happy Mail, I'll share that, or I know I have an order coming in from In Love Art Studio. I was finally asked to try out some of their dyes, and I was very happy to do so. And so I'm waiting on that to come in. And other than that, that's about it for right now. I know just Wednesday I have video, Thursday night I have Thursday Night Live. And so that's about it for the week, y'all. Hopefully I'll get back into the swing of making more videos and stuff, and I'm going to try to also do some of my devotionals in the mornings. I miss doing those, and I know several people have commented they missed me doing them, and so I am trying to get back into that. Hopefully I will do that tomorrow morning, starting tomorrow morning. So I didn't get a good night's rest last night, so that's one reason I'm just so kind of lackluster right now. But I think I got my days and nights mixed up. I don't know. But hopefully that'll get straightened out soon, because Lord have mercy, I'm too old to be staying up all nights, because I got too much to do to sleep all day. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me this morning. I appreciate it. Get that cup of coffee in if you're still morning time. I have a cup of coffee sitting right over there on my table. I'm going to go back to it. I forgot to bring it over here. So I will see you all again later. Have a good week, and God bless. Bye.